Listen, I know making money online, starting a new business is like the new hot thing to do nowadays, but what if it actually worked? Like, what if you actually created your own product? What if you actually started to post on social media? What if you actually built a really big brand? What if you actually start to make money every single day? Like, what if you actually quit your 9-to-5 job? And what if you actually could do whatever you wanted, whenever you wanted? And let me tell you, coming from a small town girl in Iowa, I had big dreams, okay? I had big desires, big goals. I wanted to move to sunny Florida. I wanted to travel to Europe, buy my dream car, honestly, just do anything I wanted to without worrying about money. But of course, in the really, really beginning, I didn't have the belief that I could actually build a business, even though I really, really wanted to. And the crazy part was, like, I would read books on top of books. I would follow 6- and 7-figure earners on Instagram. I would even pay them money to learn from them, and they would mentor me, but still I just didn't have the confidence and I didn't have the belief that I could actually do it. And the reason why was because I was looking at them on a pedestal, and I didn't think a normal average person like me from Iowa could actually make her own money. So today I want to show you how normal people just like you and I, are making thousands of dollars simply because they decide to go for it and start their own business. And I know this is probably what you need to get to like the next level in your business if you're already a business owner, or finally take the leap to start your own business. So these results I'm about to share with you are clients inside of Monetize Social membership, where you basically get access to my profitable brand formula, where I show you how to build an online business by building your personal brand, learning all about social media sales, and of course, manifestation. So if you're not inside of it, make sure to join in the link in the description below. But let's get into it. The results that I'm going to pull up here on my laptop and what I'm going to show you, for confidentiality reasons, I'm not going to share the names. I'm just going to share the first initials. But let me tell you, like, these results, not all of them are just money results. These people from all different ages, races, backgrounds, like literally you name it, they are inside of this community and they're getting insane results. So if you think you have some sort of circumstance, which is why you can't make money online, let me prove you wrong, because these people are doing it. So let me pull up my laptop and let's get into it. So I put all the results in this document and I chose 6 different people that I really want to show you guys. And all of them, once again, different type of people. Some of them don't even have any sales, any entrepreneurial background, but it still works for them. So let's first go through this first one. Client L, and she made $1,300 in sales in one single week. Okay, so what she posted inside the community was, hello, some updates about the product name. I did a pre-launch to an invite-only group and generated $1,300 in sales. Next week, I have the kickoff call for the founding members, and I start the public marketing for this group. I'm so excited about offering support in this format. Thank you, Sabah, for all your support and strategy. So this specific person, she actually did have a prior audience. That's why she said she invited people in her group, but she made $1,300 in one single week. So maybe you are already a business owner, or maybe you do have a support community group, or even friends and family. Let me tell you, when I first got started in my business, before I ever even built this community, I got like my first few clients just by my friends and family, because they are the first to actually pay you money because they believe in you. So she made $1,300 in sales, but once again, like she was nothing special about her. Like she didn't have millions of followers. She probably only had like a few thousand followers all together on all of her social media platforms. So $1,300 in sales, like that's something that I would, if I didn't have a business and I wanted to make my own money online, I'd be like, okay, if I'm working 40 plus hours a week and I'm not even getting paid that much amount of money, that's how much you could be generating with your business on social media. Now, this one, okay, when I saw this one get posted in my community, I was like, oh my goodness, this is crazy. So let me zoom in. So client C got 2 long-term clients and hit her 6-figure goal. Okay, so her goal was to make 6 figures in 1 year, and what she was selling was more so like high-ticket consulting packages. And she said, oh my gosh, I picked up 2 new clients this week and have hit my 6-figure goal. This last one just happened tonight. Every time I do these money mindset and attraction exercises with Sabah, I bring in more and more. Thank you. Now, one thing that I mentioned earlier was inside of Monetize Social Membership, I don't just teach you the strategy, I show you how to actually shift your mindset from lack to abundance, how to actually attract more wealth and money to you. Because when you're in the vibrational energy of money, you just attract all these opportunities and experiences. And clients see she wanted to work with higher end clients, not with like millions of clients, only with a handful, and she made six-figure, like she hit her six-figure goal. So imagine if you also wanted to sign on high ticket clients, and clients see she had the background in corporate. So that's why she was able to charge a bigger amount and sign on a bigger contract. But same to you guys. I bet some of you guys that are watching, you are in corporate right now. You do have a specific skill set that people are willing to pay you top dollar for. It's just a matter of, are you actually going to go all in and start with your own online business? Now, the next one is one of my favorites. Client A got 17 new clients for her membership. Now, I believe this was a lower ticket membership. I think like maybe $19. She said, feeling awesome. I'm launching my own membership tonight and I have 17 people signed up. Yes. And she was just getting started in her business. She didn't have much of an audience at all whatsoever, but she got 17 new clients inside of her membership. So imagine if you started maybe your own community or your own digital product and you start to launch it on social media or to your friends and your family, and you got 17 people to sign up. That is what, if she was charging $90 or like $100, that's what, $1,700 just by this brand new launch for a membership. So this one is actually one of my favorites. I know I'm saying this with every single one, but everyone just has like such a unique and different story. But client S got her first one-on-one client, a brand new car, a holiday in Dubai, and owning her own home. And let me just read this because it is going to give you the inspiration, the motivation to actually go for it. So she said, I'm so grateful for this year. It has been amazing for me, and I can't wait to see what else is gonna come with your help. I'm running my first group program for the second time this year. I've had amazing testimonials from the first round and in general. Signing up my first 6-month one-on-one client at my highest rate. Amazing family holiday to Dubai, my first time. Owning my home again, treating myself to a new car, which is a big deal for me as I don't really spend much on myself. Collab IG Lives, appearing as a guest on a British Muslim TV in June. Writing this out here is so much and probably so much more too. Finding you in this membership, I can go on and on atop all of this. I'm turning 40 this week, beyond grateful. Guys, she was able to do all of this in her 40s. And I believe she has like a family, she has children. So if you're watching this and you're like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to start my own business and actually make my own money, she's doing this and she is 40. Right? She's been able to do all of this because she joined the membership, she went through the trainings, she got support, but more importantly, she actually believed in herself. And if you guys are watching this, it's not even about the membership. I just want to show you guys how possible it is for, once again, average people all around the world, because I believe she lives in somewhere in Europe. She was able to do this, right? So if you guys want to be doing something really similar, you can be doing it too, okay? This other client M, made $34,000 in one single month. Okay, so he actually used what I call like my signature masterclass / challenge strategy inside of the membership, where basically I teach you how to host live trainings. And he got 40 people to sign up to this free training and closed 5 high ticket clients and made $34,000 and collected $26,000 in cash. And it worked so well that he's going to be doing the exact same system every single month. So that's the cool part of what I love to teach, is when you have a personal brand and when you have a business, it's not enough to just post every single day on social media. You want to have a system that you can duplicate every single month to make it easier for you. And I want to say that's one of the reasons why people don't have the belief and the confidence to actually make real money online, because they're just like throwing spaghetti at the wall. They think if they just post on social media and they just sell, people are gonna buy. But you do need to have a little bit of strategy when it comes to selling, right? But this one, when I saw this, I was just mind blown, because he actually transitioned out of real estate got into coaching, and this was his first ever product that he sold online, and he made $34,000. So imagine if you have a skill set and you also want to craft out a product like this, you can be making multi 5 figures your very first month. Now, this last one, I saved the best for last, but once again, all of these are so amazing. But client R made $19,000 in one single day. And she said, hey guys, last week I had what Sabah calls a quantum leap. I contracted $19,000 and collected 13.5 that same day on Friday. Now, I will say client R, she has had a business for quite a few years now, but she was always stuck around $20,000 a month, and she wanted to scale that. And every single month inside the membership, I do new trainings. In that specific month, I did one on manifestation, attractive money, how to do quantum leaps. And she was so zoned in with the trainings, with her energy, that she basically made what she makes in one whole month in one day, $19,000 in one single day. Could you imagine making what you make in 1 month in one day? That is just crazy and mind-blowing to me. So once again, all these people, like, there's nothing special about them. There's nothing special about me. It is just because they actually got the belief, they actually got the confidence, they actually got the support, this system, the strategy to go after. And once again, these are average, normal people. These are not people that have been doing this for decades, a year on end. Some of these people, once again, they just started out. So if you want my support and you want to learn exactly how these people got these results, join Monetize Social membership. It's in the link in the description below. And once again, you basically get my full A to Z process of how to build an online personal brand and make money every single day from. And I also made it super affordable because once again, I know average people that are working a 9-to-5 job, they don't have thousands of dollars to spend and to learn how to actually build a real business. So I just made sure, like, I think you can join right now. The price is like less than $3 a day to join, and you can get amazing results like this and be making thousands of dollars. So click the link in the description below. Also, let me know if you guys like these type of videos, because once again, I show these results. I don't even care if you guys join Monetize Social membership, but I show these results to show you what's possible. Because I know for me, when I was just starting out, if I saw these results from normal people, it would just motivate the heck out of me to actually go all into my business so much sooner than I actually did. So that is all for this video. I love you guys so much. If you want to learn how I gaslit myself to make $100,000, which also has to do with mindset, belief, courage, and confidence, make sure to watch this video. I love you guys so much. And until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.